Greetings, this is Group 3. We are going to present our self-burning project on greenhouse gas emissions, with a focus on methane and China.
Greenhouse gases trap heat and keep Earth habitable. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas from both human and natural sources. Human activities cause 60% of methane emissions. Agriculture, 47.6%, mainly livestock and rice paddies. Energy, 39.5%, and waste, 12.9%. Targeted reductions are essential. Using azolla and blue-green algae in rice fields suppresses methane. Tightening coal mine gas standards, lowering the venting threshold from 30% to 80% methane, forces gas capture instead of release. China still relies heavily on coal. Only 35% of energy is non-fossil. The stricter coal mine gas policy cuts emissions and turns methane into a resource, strengthening ecological and resource security under the Paris Agreement.
One of the most problematic issues is air pollution. Releasing of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides causes acid rain as the air pollutants are acidic. Particulates like PM2.5 and PM10 attacks the respiratory system as they are too small to be filtered out by normal masks. Haze produced by dust reduces visibility on major roads, affecting a person's daily life. Another problem is the enhanced greenhouse effect. This is due to an excess of carbon dioxide produced from burning of fossil fuels, which re-radiated heat that is from sun rays and reflected on the Earth's surface. Problems include rising sea levels in coastal cities or increasing global average temperature.
China has implemented a wide variety of policies to combat climate change. One of them is the Methane Emission Control Action Plan, which includes coordination and publicity to reduce up to 57 million tons of carbon dioxide after 2030. Another policy is the revised ambient air quality standards. Under the restrictions, China has capped the emission of PM2.5 and PM10 to 13 and 60 micrograms per cubic meter, respectively. This cap will take effect in 2026. The two control zones plan implemented in 1998 was designed to cut down the sulfur dioxide emission in China. However, this policy was only enforced during the 11th five-year plan. Policies included flue gas desulfurization in power plants by using scrubbers. It was a huge success and mitigated the threat of acid rain to China.
Let's go back to the topic on hand, which is linking climate change mitigation to ecological and resource security. Ecological and resource security are part of the 20 major fields of national security. It is also worth noting that methane persists in the atmosphere for only 12 years, and that the action plan provides a short-term solution to ensure ecological security by cutting methane emissions. Methane can also be captured and reused, turning a liability into an energy source. Not only can renewable power sources eliminate greenhouse gas emissions, but they also allow China to increase domestic power generation. Reducing reliance on imports ensures stable power supplies despite wars in the Middle East, supporting resource security.
Thank you for watching this video. Here is our work distribution, and here is our references.